I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole homemade, only way. Have and pit 3 ripe avocados, then scoop the flesh into a mixing bowl. Add 1 small diced onion, 1 diced tomato, and 1 jalapeno minced for heat. Squeeze in juice from 1 lime and season with 1 teaspoon salt and a pinch of black pepper. Mash gently for a chunky texture and taste for seasoning now. To adjust flavor, add more lime if it tastes flat or more salt if bland. Mix in chopped cilantro for brightness or cumin for warmth. For creamier guacamole, fold in 2 tablespoons sour cream or Greek yogurt. Taste after each change to avoid overpowering the avocado. Serve immediately with chips or cover tightly to slow browning and keep it fresh for guests. Enjoy experimenting with small changes to find your perfect balance. Serve guacamole within 1 hour for best flavor and color. Garnish with chopped cilantro, a sprinkle of salt, and a lime wedge. To store, press plastic wrap directly on the surface and refrigerate up to 48 hours, but expect some browning. For larger batches, add an extra squeeze of lime and refrigerate in an airtight container. Re-stir before serving and adjust seasoning if needed. Serve with warm tortilla chips or use as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.